Hello, welcome to your mindfulness break. I am so grateful to be joined by Julia today. And we had a conversation today that inspired this affirmation, which is, I stretch like a rubber band. And would you like to share what inspired that affirmation?
Certainly. On Saturday, I'm giving a speech for a Beachbody team in Kansas City. And one of the laws that we're talking about from John Maxwell's 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth is to grow, you've got to stretch like a rubber band. Growth happens when you stretch out of your comfort zone to move towards your dreams.
Yes, and so that is mental stretching, getting out of your comfort zone. We can literally start by doing some physical stretches.
Yes.
Right now, we're already stretching because we're recording live in a public technology library.
Great.
So people walking by get to see us. But to start off with this, we're just going to do some simple square or box breathing where we inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold the breath out for 4. So let's begin. Inhale. Pause at the top. Exhale for 4. Hold the breath at the bottom. One more time. Inhale for 4. Pause at the top. Exhale for 4. Hold the breath out for 4. That already makes a difference.
It does.
So we're going to start with, for us computer people who could benefit from stretching out, we're going to stretch out the hands and wrists. Stretch it out this way, and we're going to inhale up. And exhale back out. Inhale up. And then we're going, as the hands are up, we're going to flip the hands so that they're up like this, either like this or in steeple. And we are going to exhale to the right to get a nice side stretch. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale to the right again. Hopefully you're feeling it right in here. Inhale up. Exhale left. All right. And next we are going to do the miracle bend, which I love. The miracle bend is supposed to bend out any sort of negative energy, anxiety, depression, anything that's not serving us, and replace it with positive emotions. So in order to do that, we are going to buckle the thumbs and reach the arms out and down, and we are going to inhale the hands up. So inhaling and arching the back, holding that as long as you comfortably can, and exhaling forward. Hold it out as long as you can, and then inhale back up. Exhale forward. And one more inhale. Arching the back, getting rid of all that negative energy. Exhaling forward. All right. And did we say we would do another one? I don't remember. That is absolutely right. That's right. I was just doing this in Kundalini Yoga last night. Okay, so this is a spinal twist where we're putting the hands on the heart. And we are going to inhale as we go to the left, exhale as we go to the right. So literally just twisting the spine. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. All right. And while the hands are already on the heart, we will end with a simple meditation. Feeling the heartbeat is really, really good to be present, mindful, and to just help us focus on the now, and especially gratitude. So as we inhale, think of anything that it is that you wish to encompass or that you are grateful for. And on the exhale, we're just going to release anything that doesn't serve us. So rather, whether it's anxiety or self-consciousness or whatever. But just feel the heartbeat. So inhaling anything you wish to encompass. Exhaling anything that doesn't serve you. Inhaling empowerment and confidence. Exhaling anything that doesn't serve you. And inhaling anything that you are grateful for. And releasing anything that doesn't serve you. Awesome. Thanks so much for joining us for this break for yourself, because as we take the time to be calm and present and grateful, we are able to radiate those things to others around us. And so grateful that Julia and I were able to have this conversation about stretching like a rubber band, because as we know, rubber bands are only useful when they are stretched. All right. See you next time.
See you next